Did you know your home could feel like a luxury nature retreat without spending a fortune? Most people think beautiful interiors require expensive furniture or a full renovation, but the truth is, a few simple indoor plant DIY ideas can completely transform your space overnight. Imagine walking into your room and instantly feeling calm, refreshed, and inspired, like your own private jungle oasis. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 easy DIY indoor plant decor ideas that are not only affordable, but also incredibly stylish and beginner-friendly. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a spacious home, these ideas will help you bring life into every corner. 1. Hanging plant corner. One of the easiest ways to refresh your home is by creating a hanging plant corner. And trust me, this instantly adds a wow factor to any room. Start by choosing an empty or unused corner. This could be near a window, beside your sofa, or even in your bedroom. Instead of placing plants on the floor, we're going vertical. Install a few ceiling hooks or wall brackets and hang your plants using macrame holders, rope hangers, or even DIY fabric slings. The magic happens when you use trailing plants like pothos, ivy, or philodendron. As they grow, their vines cascade downward, creating a lush waterfall of greenery. To make it look more dynamic, hang plants at different heights. This layering effect gives your space depth and makes it feel professionally styled. Another great trick is mixing pot styles. Combine ceramic pots, woven baskets, or even recycled containers for a more personalized look. Stick to neutral or earthy tones if you want a calm, modern vibe. Not only does this idea look amazing, but it's also perfect for small spaces because it frees up your floor. You're essentially turning unused airspace into a living piece of art. By the time you're done, that boring corner will become your favorite spot in the house, a cozy green sanctuary that instantly lifts your mood every time you walk in. 2. DIY plant shelf wall. If you want something that looks straight out of Pinterest, a DIY plant shelf wall is the perfect project. Start with 2 to 3 floating shelves. Wood works best because it adds warmth and natural texture to your space. Install them on a blank wall where they can get decent light. This could be in your living room, hallway, or even your workspace. Now comes the fun part, styling your shelves. The key here is variety and layering. Use a mix of small succulents, medium leafy plants, and trailing plants that can spill over the edges. This creates movement and keeps the display from looking flat or boring. Don't just stop at plants, add a few decorative touches like candles, small books, or framed prints. These elements break up the greenery and make your shelves look curated rather than cluttered. When arranging your plants, place taller ones at the back and smaller ones in front. This creates depth and ensures every plant is visible. Try to stick to a simple color palette. Greens, whites, and wood tones work beautifully together. Another tip is to avoid overcrowding. Leaving a little breathing space between items actually makes your setup look more elegant and intentional. The final result? A stunning, organized plant wall that doubles as a living art. It's modern, refreshing, and completely customizable to your style. And the best part, you can keep updating it as your plant collection grows. 3. Glass jar water garden. Looking for something simple, elegant, and almost effortless? Then you'll love the glass jar water garden idea. This is one of the easiest DIY plant decor projects you can do, and it requires almost no tools or gardening experience. Start by collecting a few clear glass jars, bottles, or vases. These can be recycled from your kitchen. Think mason jars, old drink bottles, or even candle containers. Clean them thoroughly and fill them with fresh water. Next, choose plants that can grow in water. Lucky bamboo is a classic option, but you can also use cuttings from pothos, philodendron, or even herbs like mint. Place the stems into the water and position your jars near a window where they can get indirect sunlight. What makes this setup so special is the visible root system. As the plants grow, you'll see delicate white roots forming and expanding inside the glass. It creates a calming, almost meditative visual that adds a unique touch to your decor. To keep everything looking fresh, change the water once a week and rinse the jars if needed. You can also add small pebbles or stones for extra style. This idea works beautifully on desks, windowsills, nightstands, or even bathroom counters. It's minimal, modern, and incredibly soothing, perfect for anyone who wants greenery without the maintenance of soil-based plants. Sometimes the simplest ideas make the biggest impact. 4. Plant stand makeover. If your plants are all sitting at the same level, your space might feel a little flat. That's where the plant stand makeover comes in. This idea is all about creating height and dimension using items you already have at home. Instead of buying expensive plant stands, look around your space. Wooden stools, crates, side tables, or even stacked books can instantly become stylish plant platforms. Start with grouping your plants in one area. This could be a corner of your living room or near a window. Then place each plant at a different height using your DIY stands. The goal is to create a layered look, almost like a mini indoor landscape. Taller plants can sit on the floor, while smaller ones are elevated to eye level. A great styling trick is to mix plants in odd numbers. Groups of 3 or 5 tend to look more natural and visually pleasing. You can also mix different textures, pair smooth ceramic pots with rustic wooden crates or woven baskets for added depth. This setup not only makes your plants stand out individually, but it also turns them into a cohesive design feature. Suddenly, your room feels more dynamic, more intentional, and honestly, more expensive. And the best part? You didn't spend anything extra. It's proof that sometimes all you need is a little creativity to completely transform your space. 5. Wall-mounted mini planters. Running out of space? Then it's time to take your plants to the wall with mini wall-mounted planters. This idea is perfect for small apartments, kitchens, or bathrooms where floor space is limited but you still want that fresh green vibe. You can use small pots, wall grids, wooden boards, or even recycled containers to create your setup. Mount them securely on your wall and start arranging your plants. This is where you can get creative. Design your layout in rows, grids, or even asymmetrical patterns depending on your style. Many plants like succulents, ferns, or herbs work best here. In fact, this is a great opportunity to grow functional plants like basil, mints, or rosemary right in your kitchen. Not only do they look amazing, but they're also practical. To keep things visually appealing, stick to a consistent color palette or material style. For example, all white pots for a clean, modern look, or natural wood for a warm, earthy feel. Lighting is important too. Make sure your plants get enough indirect sunlight or consider adding a small grow light if needed. The final result is a living wall that feels fresh, unique, and space-efficient. It's a statement piece that instantly grabs attention and makes your home feel alive. And once you try it, you'll never look at empty walls the same way again. So, there you have it, 5 easy DIY indoor plant decor ideas that can completely refresh your home without breaking the bank. From hanging plant corners to living walls, each idea is simple, creative, and guaranteed to transform your space into a calming green oasis. Now, I want to know, which idea are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves plants as much as you do. And remember, your dream home doesn't need more stuff, it just needs more life.